Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, loaded with features. Features also include hands-free Bluetooth integration, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, parking sensors. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2019 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.